Bien o bueno? I know this topic confuses many of you, but today you'll finally learn how to use them properly en español. Ready?
¡Vamos!
Let's start with bien. We use bien when we describe actions, verbs. Let's take the verb cantar, to sing for example. If I hear you sing and I love the way you do it, I could say, tú cantas bien. You sing well. So bien describes how well something is done. Or if I try your delicious food and I want to compliment your cooking skills, I would say, cocinas bien. You cook well. Very simple, right? Now let's contrast bien with bueno. We use bueno not to describe actions, but when we describe things. So it changes depending if it's masculine or a feminine noun. Let's look at some examples. If I like a book and I want to recommend it to you, I would say, este libro es bueno. This book is good. And why bueno? Because libro, book, is a masculine noun. But what happens if I'm talking about a feminine object, like la canción? In that case, esta canción es buena. So let's recap the simple rule. Use bien when you're describing actions or how well you do something. For example, cantas bien. But use bueno or buena when you're describing a thing. And by the way, I cover more on this on my course Spanish Kickstart, my free course for Spanish beginners. 5 video lessons with study guides delivered right into your inbox. It's free and you can subscribe anytime. For more information, visit www.latinele.com or check the link pinned in the description. And if you're looking for another video on how to practice Spanish effectively, I'll leave a video here on how to practice your pronunciation en español. Ciao!